idea to be camping when we're lost.
We are not lost.
You forgot the tents, the marshmallows, and even the food.
We'll be okay.
Easy for you to say, fucker.
Today is a great night, without Sunspot. Oh my god, Sunspot and Highwire, where are you at?
I am super bored. Can we sing a campfire song?
No, I am not for the mood for a campfire.
Get in my head. Get on my head. Get on my head. Get on my head.
This should be the worst days ever.
No! Get on my head. Get on my head. Get on my head. Get on my head.
Sunspot, look behind you.
It won't be that.
I pranked you too. Oh fuck. I really got him. Let's go, Tyson.
I knew that we cannot go here.
Just relax. Camping is... what was that sound?
Look behind you.
Oh my god! I know for a fact that it is my mom.
I found you too. It is punishment day. You're both grounded. Well, you are officially not punished.
Yes, I can do whatever I want.
What? That isn't fair. I was the one who done great stuff.
Please stop it. I hate you and your stupid voice. Now first punishment. You are fucking grounded for life. Go to your fucking room now, you pathetic bastard. Make it to eternity.
What have I got myself into?
What did you say? Make it to 2,
3,
4. Grah, I am pissed off now. If you don't get rid of me, I will kill you.
Okay. Mom. Who's that?
Hey, do you want to be hired to a pizza company?
Yes!
Okay, for $500 please.
This is all the money I have. I'm poor now. God damn it!
Okay, let's go to your first night Sunspot.
They're not moving. Even Madison there. Oh my fucking god damn it. She left. 10% power. No. This cannot be happening.
Yep. This is the door.
Aw, fuck! I lost. Who the hell is that light? I lost, isn't it?
Sunspot has been in a Madison body, which a frontal lobe. Finally, this bitch is dead. Now I can relax without him.
Yes. I messaged her about him.
Where's Sunspot? Mom,
Gah, what do you want? I was in the middle of my beauty rest.
do you know where's Sunspot?
He's dead.
He's dead. Let's dance. Yes, he is.
Who's that? Are you kidding me? I thought you were dead.
I jumped out of the body.
Stop. No time to explain. Go to your room. You are so grounded, bastard.